Welcome to the Essential Security Guide for all electoral officers. Your role is vital in ensuring free and fair elections. This cinematic guide will provide you with step-by-step security protocols and key tips to protect the electoral process from start to finish. Electoral officers are the frontline defenders of democratic integrity. Understanding the security risks is the first step to mitigating them. Maintaining the security and integrity of the election process is paramount. Trust in the system relies on your vigilance and adherence to protocol. Let's begin with security measures you must take before Election Day, focusing on preparation and safeguarding materials. Sensitive materials like ballots and voter lists must be secured under strict chain of custody. Ensure they are locked away and inventoried. Your personal safety is crucial. Always be aware of your surroundings, plan your routes for transporting materials, and report any suspicious activity immediately. Next, let's look at the crucial security considerations during the setup of your polling station. Establish clear restricted access zones. Only authorized staff, official observers, and voters actively participating in the process should be allowed near voting areas and material. If utilizing electronic systems, ensure they are physically and digitally secure. Maintain backup communication lines in case of network disruptions. Strictly enforce proper identification procedures. All staff, observers, and anyone interacting with the process must display appropriate and valid credentials. Vigilance is key during voting hours. These procedures ensure a calm and secure environment for voters. Maintain order and manage crowds efficiently. Keep queues organized and ensure that no voter is intimidated or unduly influenced. Address any suspicious behavior or unauthorized filming immediately and professionally. Follow established protocols for incident reporting. Ballot box handling requires clear protocols. Ensure boxes are properly sealed before voting begins and remain in sight of designated personnel at all times. The security of the election continues even after the last vote is cast. Post-voting procedures are essential for accurate and secure tallying. Securely seal and document all election materials before transport. Maintaining a clear chain of custody is non-negotiable for preserving integrity. Double-check all documentation, including tally sheets, voter registers, and material inventories, to ensure consistency and accuracy before submission. Any incidents, irregularities, or security breaches, no matter how small, must be reported to the designated authority immediately. Let's summarize the key takeaways to ensure a secure and trustworthy election process. Remember, stay alert, always follow protocol, maintain chain of custody, and document everything. These are your cornerstones for security. Thank you, electoral officers, for your unwavering commitment and dedication to safeguarding our democratic process. Your vigilance makes all the difference.